I participated in a group build for the whole entire month of December, put on by Paul over at International Scale Modeler. And the group build was all about this kid here, the Foose FD-100 Revell pickup truck. Let me get the camera turned around and I'll show you what I did. With any build, you start with taking the parts off the trees and sanding mold lines, cleaning things up, preparing for paint, seeing what fits, what doesn't fit. I decided to take the Foose off the back of the tailgate, and there it is, all smooth. I think that looks a whole lot better. Anyone that builds this is going to have Foose on the back of it, and I just wanted to be a little bit different. Working on the tires and wheels, added some valve stems, did a little wash to the wheels, get those to stand out. Starting to get things mocked up. Not too happy with the way it sits straight out of the box. And I decided to do the salt technique. There I'm starting the salt technique. While the salt's drying, I decided to get onto the interior. There's a close-up of the salt technique, and I decided to go with an off-white. I added a little bit of buff to my white paint to get that color. There's everything painted up. For the red, I add a little bit of white also. Tone down the red a little bit. Kind of give it more of a faded look. There's the hood and roof up close. And it's all painted. And I'm getting ready to start taking the salt off here shortly. There's what it looks like with all the salt still on. And we're taking the salt off now and adding some pigment powders. Weathering's the most fun on these things. Wasn't liking the bed too well, so I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with that. Add a tonneau cover or what I was going to do with the bed. So I decided to add real wood. Got some balsa wood out, cut some strips, weathered some wood, and there's my strips for the bed. All weathered, including knotholes. Back to the interior, I decided to add some pinstriping on the dashboard. That's where I got my pinstriping. And decided to go with Mexican seat covers on the door panels also. Getting things more mocked up now, liking how that's sitting better. There's a close-up of that pinstripe I was telling you about that's on the dashboard. The first load on the truck. The truck's done except for a few trim pieces. And here's some finished up pictures of it. Let me know down below what you think about it.